In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Etsy desktop shop. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need on a desktop browser, and I'll share quick context along the way so you know why each screen appears and what Etsy is asking for. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Etsy's homepage. Make sure you're on the official site and that your internet connection is stable, since you'll move through a few setup screens. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the site for the profile icon. Click it. If you're not already signed in, Etsy may prompt you to log in or create an account before continuing. That's normal and just ensures your shop is tied to the right profile. After the profile menu opens, select Sell on Etsy. This takes you to Etsy's Seller Hub where the setup begins. On this page, click Get Started and then click Let's Do This. These buttons simply kick off the onboarding flow and help Etsy customize your experience. Next, you'll see a question that asks, what brings you to Etsy? Choose the option that best matches your situation. This isn't a test, it just tailors recommendations and resources for you. Once you've made your selection, click Next to continue. You'll then be asked, where else do you sell? Pick the choice that fits your current setup. If you're brand new, it's fine to indicate you don't sell elsewhere. If you already sell on other platforms, let Etsy know. Click Next when you're ready. Your answers here help Etsy understand your experience level and may shape tips you see later. Finally, click Start Your Shop. That button opens the main shop setup area where you'll handle the rest of the details like preferences, branding, and listings. You don't have to finish everything in one sitting, but it helps to have basics ready ideas for a shop name, a product or two to list, and clear photos. And that's it for starting your Etsy shop on desktop. Follow these steps, and you'll be inside the seller setup in just a few minutes.